Today, we're going to be making some Dalgona coffee. You'll need instant coffee, sugar, and hot water. Let's begin. Start off by putting equal amounts of these three ingredients into a mixing bowl. I'm going to be using 4 tablespoons each. Like so. I'm going to be mixing by hand with a whisk, but if you want to use an electric mixer or a kitchen stand mixer, that's fine too. If you decide to mix it by hand like me, be prepared to whisk it about 400 times. And ideally, you should be mixing in an up-down zigzag motion. Now eventually, the mixer will start to thicken up. I like to stop mixing when it reaches a peanut butter-like consistency. I sure like peanut butter. Yeah! Next, get a glass, or in this case a jar, and fill it up with your base. Try not to spill it like I did. I'll be using 2% milk, but you can use whatever base you'd like. Some alternative milk-based options are soy milk, almond milk, oat milk, or even just water. I like using 2% milk because it allows for a creamy consistency. Also, in case you're wondering, for some reason, the milk in my area comes in a bag. The last step is my favorite part, adding the coffee on top of the base. I'm adding a second spoonful for good measure. After you've taken your obligatory Instagram photos, it's time to stir that bad boy up. Here, I'm just using a metal chopstick to do that.
Oh.
Try your best not to make a mess like I am, but that's okay, because accidents do happen, just like me. Thank you all for watching my video. Be sure to try this recipe out yourself. It definitely tastes a lot better than it looks. And I hope that was helpful. Oh yeah, thank you Ben for lending me your jar.